Hi, I'm Virginia with Bluebird in a Box, and we wanted to share one of our favorite tips today, which is using this handy dandy iPhone to make party planning so much easier. One of our favorite things to do at events for Bluebird Productions, Something Blue, and even when we host events at our own house is the alarm feature, which I'm sure many of you know exists. However, there are features all across, I will screenshot this and send it, that basically go off and then tell you what to do. So in our Blueprint boxes, you get one of our favorite planning timelines, and it gives you reminders of when you should do things. However, if you're anything like me, you're gonna lose track of time, or something's gonna happen, or I have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old, and they may come and start clinging because they really got mad that they were watching Wildcats instead of Paw Patrol. So if I have an alarm that goes off and tells me 2 o'clock, finish setting table and flowers, 3 o'clock, unload the dishwasher, 3:30, light the candle in the bathroom, 4:30, turn on the music, 5:15, get the wine out and light the candles. Those sort of things really help me stay on top of the timeline, making sure that when people do arrive, I'm not scrambling. I may have one last thing so they can kind of pitch in. We make them feel very welcome, but that way I'm really not running behind and I can start my evening stress-free.